Oh yeah, this is Millionaire here, and you're now listening to Affiliate Marketing Secrets Radio. So you're probably wondering, how do affiliate marketers like us, who didn't cheat and got results with no advertising budget from start, want to effectively run an affiliate marketing business online? How do we get closer to financial freedom without using strategies that take a toll on our bank accounts? That's the big question, and you will find the answer on this podcast. My name is Billy Nellis, and welcome to Affiliate Marketing Secrets Radio. If it's your first time listening, I really appreciate you to be on here. And don't forget to go back and listen to the very first episode of Affiliate Marketing Secrets Radio, which is called My Paid Advertising Disaster. You'll understand my story and why I'm here talking about affiliate marketing today. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be sharing some valuable information as I go along. And most importantly, leave me some feedback. Leave me a review so that you can let me know what you think. And on affiliatemarketingsecretsradio.com, there's a section where you're able to ask some questions. And I'm going to have some episodes where I'm going to go in and answer the questions that I'm going to be receiving in one episode. So you can go ahead and do that on affiliatemarketingsecretsradio.com. But now, from this episode and the next two that are going to come up after this one, I'm going to cover on the 3 things that you need to know in order to have to start having $1,000 plus days online as an affiliate marketer. And these things I kind of tracked to myself in my life. They kind of happened and I noticed them and I was like, okay, so these are important and I want to share it with others. All right. So the 3 things that you need to know in order for you to start having $1,000 plus days online as an affiliate marketer are those. And I'm going to start with number 1. Okay. Now, number 1 is you need to have the right mindset. Okay. I've a quote from Henry Ford that I really like, and it says, if you believe you can or that you cannot, that means that in both cases, you are right, right? So, it really comes down to the way that you think, and what you believe makes your reality. And in my journey, I have a lot of things that happen, and like I said previously in some of the previous episodes, roller coaster, right? Up and down, and things were consistent. And I really had to go back. And for the longest time, I thought that the law of attraction was the biggest joke ever, but it's actually not. But I had a lot of mindset work to do on myself to improve my way of thinking. And whether you like it or not, whatever you think about is what you're going to, whatever you think and focus on is what you're going to attract. And to help me, I want to suggest my top 5 books of all time. And they're really close to me right now. I'm looking at them right now while I'm recording this. And those are always the go-to books that I'm going to have, that I'm going to be either listening, because I like to listen to audiobooks, or reread them, because I think that every single day, everybody should feed their mind just like they're feeding their stomach with food, right? You should feed your mind with positive stuff, things that are going to make you a better person, because to me, getting closer to success is about who you have to become in order for you to get there, right? And here are the top 5 books that I should recommend, that I'm going to recommend to you right now that you should read, that you should have in your collection. That's really going to help you, because they help me to refine and to really improve my mindset, for my belief system to be very strong. And, I believe from the get-go that I could have $1,000 plus days online, and this is why it started happening. So top 5 books. Number 1 is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I'm pretty sure that you heard of that book before, but, I think it's because of that book that it all started really for me when it comes to entrepreneurship, and really understand why the rich get richer and the poor gets poorer, right? Really understand those concepts, right? They really cover on that, and it's great. Number 2 is The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Waddle. Very great book when it comes to mindset, and really put yourself in a position to think that you are really worthy of anything that you truly want in life. Okay, so it's an amazing book. It's a classic. I think it was published back in the 1940s or 50s. Correct me if I'm wrong, but great book. It still has an impact on a lot of people today, and this is one of the books that I recommend. Now, number 3 is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and I'm pretty sure that you heard about that book as well. This is a classic. I listened to the audios and reread that book over and over again because, like I said, the law of attraction is really no joke. And if you really condition your mind and it becomes a habit for you to constantly fight the negative things so that you can realign your mind to think about the positive stuff and the things that you really want instead of focusing on the thing that, it doesn't work. Oh my God, this doesn't, this, just the negative stuff. It's whether you like it or not, you're going to attract those, and you don't want that, right? So Think and Grow Rich is a classic must have. If you don't have it yet, well, I don't know what you're waiting for. You should be getting it right now. Okay. Now, the 4th book, and that right there, that book is awesome as well, is The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T.R. Hecker. And I actually went to the mastermind, and it really helped me conquer some of my fears, right? Sometimes we have the fear of success, or the fear that things don't work, or the fear of this, fear of that. And that book really helped me with affirmations, positive affirmations that I say every single day, so that you can really, either in the morning or at night, you really focus on the things that you truly want, and that conditions your subconscious minds to really stay on the right path for positivity, right? Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. Right now, the 5th book, and this is a book that I also like a lot, is The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. That book right there, when it comes to taking massive levels of action on anything that you want to accomplish, this book right there is really an eye-opener and is really going to let you own in on you wanting to focus on what you need to do in order to get some success. Taking action on what you want to achieve on your own success is a duty and responsibility. And, that book changed my life. Sometimes we think, I'm taking some action, I'm doing my thing, but you really have to ramp it up. And sometimes it takes more effort to actually get something done than you may have imagined. And Grant Cardone really, lays it all out in that book. So the 10X Rule is, awesome book to have. The audio is on repeat in my life, and it should be in your life as well. All right. So this is the number one thing that you need in order to start having $1,000 plus days online as an affiliate marketer. That's the first thing. Mindset is the most important thing. If you don't believe that you can from the get-go, or right from the top, then it's simply not going to happen for you. And it's important that your mind is on the right track for it to happen. And this is why I also shared some books with you that helped me put my mindset and my way of thinking a certain way on the right track for success. Okay, so this is it for this episode. Part 2 is going to be on the next one, and I'll talk to you there. Do you want to know how to set up any affiliate marketing business online the right way without being tech savvy? Go to affiliatemarketingsecretsradio.com and get access to the free 5 video series on how to do that right now.